Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine the mode with Python and my stikpetP library. If you don't want to use my library, I have a separate video on that. I'm using Python version 3.97. This probably also works in other versions. I'm running this in Jupyter Lab. I'll leave a link to this notebook down below. Now the mode is the category or categories or the item that has the highest frequency. There's a bit of controversy if everything has the same frequency. Some will say that all are the mode. Sometimes they will say that none are the mode. And if there are two with the maximum frequency, then you have a bimodal situation, otherwise a trimodal, etc. To show you how to work with the function from my library, I need some example data. So I'm going to load in pandas and then use read CSV to load in the GSS 2012A file, which is from the General Social Survey from 2012, slightly adapted for some examples that I'm using in other videos. The field that I'm only interested in is the marital status, which was called mar1, so I'm going to store that as a separate variable. And just to give you a quick indication, the value counts, and from here we can actually already tell that the mode in this case should be married. Just to show how things will work with a bimodal situation, here's a small array with twice a 5 and twice an 8, so in this case 5 and 8 should be the mode. Now to load my library, please use pip install and then the link to my GitHub file. You can't just use pip install, and then you can import it just as any other library. Then the function of interest is the ME for measurements mode. It needs the data, of course, as input parameter, and optional what to do if all are equal. So let's take it for a spin, and if you run the function, you'll simply get the mode. And if they're multiple, it's an array in here with so then you get all of them, and the frequency of that mode. For the bimodal situation, we actually get here nicely the 5 and the 8, and the model frequency is 2. Now just to show you how this could actually work with if we have no mode, so let's say no mode equals, and we have a 1, a 2, another 1, a 3, 2 and another 3. So each score actually occurs twice, and then we can just say ps.me mode and then no mode. And as you can see, it will now simply say return that there is no mode. If you say all equal to be all, then it will actually return all of them. Alright, and that's how you can determine the mode using the stikpetP library. In the other video, I'll show you how it can be done with Python statistics library, SciPy, pandas, or if you don't want to use any libraries at all. So watch that video if you're interested in that, and these are the references I used. Hopefully this was helpful, and thank you for watching.